What about the invasion?
I've started to make plans. Don't worry. First of all, I have to deal with my brother.
What do you mean?
He had the audacity to threaten me. For that, there is no excuse.
You scared him enough, he ain't gonna mess with you no more.
He thinks he's a lion. But he's just a dog.
Beautiful. That is so dope. Jesus put down the cross and ran away.
Listen. Who can hear the sound of grass growing? Who needs less sleep than a bird? Who can see the least movement 100 leagues away?
Heimdall.
Yes, Heimdall. It was spring. And time for sowing. The god soon he came to the edge of the earth. All day as the sun fled west from the wolf.
I love his braids. I love them.
Picked his way
Don't like him, but I love his hair. Do you have a sword, or is it buried up in the woods? No, yo, no!
А почему?
Ты же хотишь отъять у меня отравы. И убить меня хотишь. Сиди!
Episode title, Gods, Ghosts, and Running Dogs. He's gonna get eaten by dogs.
Что мы творить ты хочешь?
Сотворите, чего же достанешь.
Яко можете веряти. Клянуся Богородице Пречистою.
Клянись Одином.
Одине? Не могу.
Respect.
Так, Оля.
Правда хочешь? Брате?
What a jerk, yeah.
King Alfred in England, Duke Rollo in Francia.
Nice.
My brother, Witzer, is going to lead a trade mission along the Silk Road, trading along its long route. Perhaps
Talk
even
about
to China.
fate.
We are Viking. We are travelers, and we are traders. That is our destiny. If you believe in our future, if you believe in the future of our children, then I ask you to support and to join them.
Who is it?
Witzek. Witzek. Witzek.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
2 days ago, we were attacked. They stole our grain stores and our animals. They killed our sons. My baby was crying. They picked him up and smashed his brains out. They raped me. They raped all of us.
Oh,
Oh, they will come back. Of that I'm certain.
What can I offer you to set me free? I've always wanted to be a king. A king? Can you imagine?
is that pig hoof?
King Canute. Of course, a king. A king. I could make you a king. Really? You do not have power. You just have words. So you're a philosopher also? No, I am more the practical kind. You really have to go. I enjoy your conversation almost as much as I enjoy cooking.
I'm afraid I have more urgent matters to attend to. Bjorn Ironside has arrived on our shore with a very large fleet. Possibly he has come to rescue you.
Is it possible that King Harold got word to those dudes that he sent to Bjorn?
King Bjorn?
Or is this all a ploy by King Olaf?
King Harold is still alive. But we fear that King Olaf could execute him at any time. When I attack, the element of surprise will work in our favor. You will stay with us?
Wouldn't it be better? No, it wouldn't be better. Believe me. It's a question of trust.
Who are you?
Stall.
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 Myth.
Mjöth.
Oh.
Oleisje. Ja. Ulrik.
It's a creepy puppet, yo.
Oh, come and see, and murderous wade through the sea. Flame.
Freezing.
Where are you going? There's something in the water. I can't see any guards. I can't see anyone. Retreat! Retreat! Under the water! Go under!
Come and see the wreck of humanity. Broken heads. Spilled guts.
Yo. Oh, yo.
For the gods.
Remember, think of yourself, boy. You gotta get out of there.
Humanity. The wreck of humanity.
That's dope, though. Whew. All right, y'all, so that was the Vikings Season 6, Episode 3, entitled Gods, Ghosts, and Running Dogs. All types of new feels, all types of things I wasn't expecting to happen happened. This Oleg dude, not Oleg, Olaf, the one that Fitzurk was calling Buddha last season, he is a clever, very creative one. I am absolutely incredibly disappointed in Bjorn for hooking up with that slave, and then we find out that Gunhild is pregnant, and I was just mad, man. I was so mad when I saw that. I also, it's a coincidence, it's very ironic that Ube, and I mean, of course, they don't know where, they have no idea where Ivar is, but coincidentally, who is he sending to the Silk Road for trade? He is sending Fitzurk. And Oleg the Prophet's people are everywhere, so eventually they're gonna get to a certain point near Kiev or something, and he's gonna be like, oh, we're Vikings. And he's like, oh, well, we got a Viking, and they're gonna come together. But there was also a moment where Ivar was going with little Igor, is that the little prince's name? and they were looking at Prince Oleg, the prophet's brother, and he was like, yo, that is so messed up. And in my heart, I kind of felt like, how could you do that to your brother? You know? So it is possible in my optimistic, hopeful mind that maybe he will show some type of compassion towards his brother. But then again, he's getting an army up right now to go take back the kingdom from his brothers. So that could just be me being hopeful and having wishful thinking, who knows. In the name of the gods, I hope that Lagatha digging her sword up and taking the sword back up doesn't bring her any punishment, or that she doesn't have to suffer any consequences because of that. I understand that her and the gods know when you're being attacked, you've got to watch out for yourself. You've got to protect yourself and your land. So there's just a lot of stuff happening right now. I'm super excited where the season is going. And I mean, of course, if I wasn't disappointed, it wouldn't be going well. But I'm really excited to see what happens next week, y'all. If there's anything that I overlooked or misinterpreted, please put it in the comments down below. And I'll see y'all in the next one.